Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about function composition. So first, let's repeat and review how to evaluate a function, and then I'll show you the meaning of composition of functions. So let's begin here. So it says, evaluate the following function. So we have f of x equals 2x minus 4, and we're going to evaluate at the value of negative 6. So the game here is everywhere we see an x, we're going to replace it by that negative 6 here. So here we get f of, here let me use parentheses, f of negative 6 is going to be 2 times negative 6, and then we're going to subtract 4. So again, everywhere there was an x, it got replaced by this negative 6 because that's where we are trying to evaluate. Now we're going to simplify the right hand side. This is my right hand side. So 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. And then if we subtract 4, we get negative 16. So f of negative 6 gives us negative 16 here. This example. So we have to evaluate f of x equals negative x plus 13 at x equal to h. So notice that now we're not plugging in another number. We're plugging in a different variable. Okay, but the process is the same. Everywhere we see an x, we're going to exchange it for an h now. So here we have f of parentheses. So these parentheses are my placeholders for the exchange that I'm gonna attempt here. So f of h is going to be negative h plus 13. So I can simplify this just as f of h equals negative h plus 13. And that would be as much as I would be capable of doing in this situation. So again, everywhere I saw an x, it now became an h. Alright, try the next 4 problems, and then when we come back, I'll show you how to compute composition of functions.